Hey guys, what's up? We found a butler for you. Just in case you don't need the butler, there's a set of other gadgets that'll help you to calm down, keep your bitcoins, make your videos truly immersive, and free your pockets. Everything's jiggling and wiggling and completely multifunctional, just like you like it. All the links to the products are given in the description below. Do you think all fidget spinners are just a bunch of useless toys? Well, definitely not this one. No doubt, spinning it at crazy speeds must be really fun, but there's a better way to kill time while improving your focus and concentration. It has a tiny labyrinth which is integrated right into the spinner. Most importantly, this thing is also equipped with a detachable magnetic multi-tool. It includes a box opener, bottle opener, and a hex wrench. Additionally, you can use it to play dice and get lucky tips from the special Viking symbols. The whole thing is precisely machined from stainless steel. This ain't a silly toy. And here's something truly magnificent to decorate your room. Although it looks like a classic hourglass, the reservoir is filled with water instead of sand. So in fact, this is an aquarium, but quite an unusual one. It comes with hundreds of little microbes called dinos. The best thing is they absorb the sunlight during the day and then glow at night with that beautiful light. Moreover, you can experiment with the microbes and create amazing effects. They can form bubbles, streaks, and even a mini vortex. You'll have to feed the dinos once every 3 to 4 weeks. All the instructions for the experiments are given so you can feel yourself the lord of this little world. This is a perfect wallet for those who like their stuff neatly organized. In spite of the thin and lightweight design, this accessory fits everything you need and even more. The wallet provides enough space for up to 16 credit cards, along with a special clip for the cash. The anodized aluminum body makes sure the wallet will serve you for ages, while the leather lining makes it smooth and comfortable to hold. But it's not just that. Inside the wallet, you'll find a multi-tool card. It features a wide range of functions, including a chisel, seatbelt cutter, hex wrench, and bottle opener. As long as you have this wallet, you're ready for anything. This is the smartest wearable gadget that can replace at least 6 accessories you use every day. And it's a ring. Just pair it with your phone via Bluetooth and you'll be able to take phone calls with your finger. Both the earpiece and high-quality microphones are built into the ring, so it perfectly works with different voice assistants. You can also control your music with intuitive gestures. Since the ring is NFC-enabled, you're free to use it for wireless payments. Plus, with 4 GB of internal storage, this thing doubles as the most stylish flash drive. Don't worry, the device asks for either a Touch ID on your phone or a passcode. The data's safe. But wait, there's more! Set an alarm on the ring and you won't wake your loved ones. Or wear it during workouts so it tracks your activity. In addition, the ring notifies you if you've left your phone too far, and in case of any danger, you can use the SOS alert feature to call your emergency contacts. So not bad for a ring. Although cryptocurrency seems to be completely virtual, you can actually keep it in a genuine hardware wallet. And naturally, it looks like a strange gadget from sci-fi movies. This device is entirely machined from aerospace-grade aluminum, which makes it almost unbreakable. So must be the proprietary firmware that protects the wallet with digital keys. The gadget easily connects to any PC and laptop via the integrated USB-C port. Now, this wallet might be less chic, but it keeps the same level of security. Besides, this option is much more affordable, and it's easier to carry thanks to its lightweight and compact design. It only takes a few minutes to set up, and if you lose the gadget, all data can be easily restored. You don't have to keep bunches of masks to look different every Halloween or any other party. With this LED mask, virtually any character is available whenever you want. It's provided with a mobile app that brings you a huge variety of faces, funny, scary, and intriguing ones. More than that, you can actually display your own images and texts. Don't worry about the battery, it's large enough to last up to 12 hours. And then charging it up is really simple with a regular USB cord. Another cool feature is the integrated motion sensor. It allows you to switch mask faces by simply waving your hand in front of it. What a new way to express your mood! Isn't it a little annoying that every device around us requires its own controller? Most of them can be easily replaced with this little gadget. Looking exactly like a fidget cube toy, this controller suits a great amount of use cases. Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity allows you to use the cube with virtually any device, including either Windows or Mac OS laptops and TVs. It's a perfect remote control for your presentations since it has an integrated laser pointer. One of the sides acts as a small yet fully functional mouse with a handy trackball, and there's a micro SD card slot that allows you to store files right in the cube. And when you're ready to relax after work, you might use the built-in joystick to play some classic games, or just take your time clicking the fidget buttons. Whatever you might need to scan, it's easier than ever with this innovative portable scanner. First, it's really fast. It takes only 1 second to scan a page. Feel free to adjust the scanner's height and use the included foot pedal for effortless operation. And beyond that, the gadget is full of smart features. Optical character recognition function, which works with more than 180 languages, allows you to turn a piece of paper into an editable file, PDF, Word, Excel, any format of your choice. 2 integrated lights make sure the brightness is always perfect. Thanks to the foldable design, carrying this scanner in your backpack is no issue. It can even shoot videos, in case you need that. You don't have to choose between physical and digital games. It's much more interesting to combine them. This Lego kit allows you to create your own fully functional robots. Not just assemble them, but also program and control. The set includes 5 robots, which look much different from one another. There's a robot that blasts missiles and punches with its fist, and a car-like robot that carries a crane. The one called Charlie is especially good at playing drums. But first, you have to put together almost 1,000 pieces following the instructions. Then download a special app on your PC or smartphone and start programming your robots. There are more than 50 activities that you might teach them to do. Tony Stark would be proud of you. If you see someone gently squeezing a power bank, don't think they're nuts. They're probably holding this new portable hand warmer that doubles as a power bank. This thing features 3 different heat settings in the range from 95 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. You know, it's never too warm. The heat level is indicated by special LEDs, and most importantly, the device gets heated from both sides. The built-in 5200 mAh battery also makes it a great power bank. The hand warmer uses the latest USB-C port, but a regular USB converter is also included in the package. With these soft pastel colors, the gadget even looks warm. Sometimes you need to capture the moment without sacrificing any detail. That's when a 360-degree camera is completely indispensable. Not only does it allow truly immersive footage, but also makes sure it's really crisp thanks to the 4K resolution. The coolest part is that the camera is still palm-sized and perfect for travelers. It features a shockproof and water-resistant body that can be easily mounted either on a bike or helmet. By pairing the cam with your smartphone, you can enable live streams, edit your content, and share it right away on social media. Moreover, all your footage can be quickly transformed into VR format. That must be stunning. Remember Jarvis, Tony Stark's famous AI assistant? Well, this smart home assistant is pretty much similar, except for the name. It's Josh. The gadget's really simple. With this touch-controlled backlit dial, it's super convenient when you need to dim the lights or adjust the music volume. But you won't be using the screen much anyway. Featuring an array of far-field microphones, this gadget is designed primarily for hands-free use. It's like your personal butler that turns on the lights, closes the curtains, and plays the movie that you're asking for. The AI-powered software allows Josh to be somehow smarter than other assistants. If you have a set of these gadgets in different rooms, each of them knows its place and doesn't interfere with the others. Seamless automation.